Hi everyone, Sam here, and today we're going to go over all the cool things you can do with Canva. Now, I am not a Canva expert by any means, but I can tell you that Canva is exactly the kind of tool if you're not a graphic design expert. And as a noob in graphic design, I'm going to show you all the cool things you can create with Canva, kind of starting with the designs that I created for YouTube and the thumbnails until this point. And one of the things that I really found great about Canva is that even though I know that I would say, one of the most clueless people when it comes to design, Canva kind of still keeps me in a space where my design looks professional enough and not too clunky or awkward, just because the templates already give you kind of this fail-proof environment to work in. And you know what? We can even create a special thumbnail for this episode, and we're going to create a YouTube thumbnail. So there's TikTok backgrounds, Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook post, and just hopping in really quick to show you guys all the things that are already kind of built in for free. Here's like for an Instagram story, you see that the size is already in place. So I'm going to now do a YouTube thumbnail. Clicking on that, and we're going to look for a template that will fit this video, how to use Canva. Look for something with maybe kind of a techie vibe or a design vibe. Let's see. You can see there's all kinds of different templates that we can use. Let's see, maybe somebody on a laptop, sitting and working, not sure. Basic beginner guide, this is for more audio maybe, or sports. Let's see. You know what? I'm going to reuse something I already did. I'm going to take this one with a cup of coffee. And one of the things I'm going to do really quickly is I'm going to look for a Canva logo. I'm going to find the Canva logo PNG. Need one that will not come with the background. So back to loading a different logo this time. And now it seems we have a good logo. Gonna finish uploading, and just gonna use the Canva circle to kind of cover the coffee cup, as it is kind of a perfect match, kind of give a vibe of person holding. There we go. And how to use Canva to make YouTube thumbnails. And we're going to decrease the size to 120. Move this a bit. There we go. Maybe 116. Feels a lot better already. Yes, and I think we're good to go. We have our Canva Creative, and we're going to download it. And since we have the premium version, we're going to increase the size. Good resolution. And that's it. That's our design. So thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed making with me a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. If you found this piece of content useful, don't forget to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.